listeners, Harika here, and I'm super excited to welcome you to UppTalk. If you're ready to learn and get your hands work wonders in the world of information technology, then you're in the right place. When I say UppTalk, we are not just another edtech company. Consider we are your learning partner committed to unlocking your full potential. Whether you're stepping into the world of technology for the first time or looking to advance your career, we provide top-tier, hands-on courses to build up your career. Let's take our first step towards learning here and explore it.
Why would it not have that value? These are not delivered to Workday values. That's why Workday gave us a calculation. If it is based on our requirement, which amount we want to return, that can be configurable. Because, for example, if they gave 2.5 or 250, it's not like all the customers required this one. Correct? It was a custom calculation. Looks like this is already existing in a system, but it's supposed to give 20 to 50. Whenever you get this error, if the values already exist, same name cannot be given. Hence it's 25. Does that miss out? Now we create a logic calculation. A, Indie location equal to outcome price and center equal to 3T 4000 and workday greater than equal to 0.5. Sometimes you may get this question. I can. What if I move this as a first one? Does still my calculation works? Absolutely it works. It's not like everything needs to be in line. Each calculation is circular reference. It looks for the criteria. All these criteria should match. It should be lost or first workday doesn't. That doesn't matter to workday. But for meaningful order, I'm just giving one after another and condition. What is the value? Let's create constant value. It has to be exactly that. Correct. It can't be, and the system is going to apply its rounding to that. Rounding is applicable. That is a different logic. If you would like to bring the rounding rule related, we need arithmetic calculations. Round up, round down, round up nearest to 0.01. We will discuss that, but here exact values we are processing since there's a union face detection. Oh, but we have that concepts round up, round down. And I'm saying in your calculation here, it has to be exact. The reason why I have selected this value is because I want to show how to get constant value calculation. If I get 49 or 40, I'm sure Workday has that calculation already in the system. Instead of selecting the existing one, if I get a new value that you will get an idea how to create. That's all it is. Wait, I don't think that's. Oh, there it goes. Now this is also ready. Now, if any employee not falling into this criteria, we should return 0. That's what. Default response is 0 because a manager field, you must specify information. If any employee not falls under this one, this locations it should ignore. So go to the usage. Here we have the direction navigation instead of searching through the task. Let me read this. All looks good. Now let's assign here. If you're not assigned this pay component, group Workday doesn't process. Pucks. Now, please help me here. We have to test now. Where to test for employee in Atlanta, Chicago, New York, Boston? What is the best practice in in testing? That you test each one, an employee in each location. If I go with each location, maybe I have employees. In Atlanta, 100 employees are there. Maybe 5 employees part of this call center. 95 employees not part of this call center. We have to spend more time to find the employee. Say that one more time. Let's say we have 100 employees in Atlanta. Out of all the employees, 5 employees are associated with this call center. I remember 95 employees are not associated with this call center by any chance. If you pick the employee from 95 employee may not meet the criteria. Now let's see what are the best practices in testing. Anyone wants to try? No problem. Use the task find worker. A quick test. I always use this task. The find worker is a very good task which let you allow to identify a group of employees based on different criteria, based on the age, based on the base per segment, certifications, companies, composition grades, car centers, car center hierarchies, etc. I'm going to put the filter on location first. Location. First I'll enter. Such Hirat, this is a challenge. You know, there are people who created the same location multiple times. How many employees are there in Atlanta? 12 employees. Out of these 12 employees, How many employees are part of the car center? This is our test employee. This is one way of testing. Another way. Go ahead, please. Wait, what cost center was he in again? What cost center? What cost center was he in again? The same criteria. And he's been working there for at least 31 days. How did you determine that? Good one. That one, take the employee. No problem. Under summary or job here you have hired it. Years of service. He's already completed 31 days. This is one way of testing manual approach. Let's see another approach. A manual test like going to his payroll and recap payroll. Now we can do that. But I want first we'll talk about testing part. I will show another way of testing to find out the test employees. This is also important criteria, at least to do penny testing or unit testing. Create a report. I'll ask your integration team or reporting team to create this report. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us sales@upptalk.com.